Hello everyone. So let's start our new session of chapter number 6, tissues. So in previous session we have learned the three types of connective tissues, that are blood, bone and ligament. So I hope that you have written the notes of that three types. Okay. Still, if you have not written, so you can take the screenshot of this, and only you have to take the reference of these notes. Okay. Don't copy as it is whatever you have learned, and in the table format you have to write the notes. So tissue type, location, structure and function. So in this format you have to write the notes of all these tissues. Clear? So this is about the blood that we have already finished. Then about the lymph is given, but no need, just you can read. Okay, still if you have any doubt in this, so the functions of limbs are important, so take the screenshot and just remember that what are they doing. Okay, then bones, we have learned about the bones which is used or which is important for our human skeleton. Okay, which are having the hard matrix which is composed of calcium and phosphorus, and these bones are provides structure and support to the body. Clear? So one Harvisian canals related to the bones is given. So take the screenshot. Okay, this is important for your general knowledge. It is not mentioned in your textbook, so no need of learn. Then we have learned about the ligaments which is found between the bones. Okay, the location is between the bones which is having a very little matrix, and these tissues are very elastic in nature. Okay, because of this elasticity, these tissues can connect the two bones with each other. So these three types we have already learned. Okay, and now we will start with the tendons. Okay, so see the notes that I have given. The tendons tissues are responsible for connecting bones and muscles. See the difference between the tendons and ligaments. Ligaments bind bone to bone. Okay, means in between the two bones, ligaments are there. And in between the bones and the muscles, tendons are present. Clear? Any confusion? Ligaments found between the bones and tendon found between the muscles and bones. Clear? So these are having fibrous matrix. Now fibrous matrix for what? For flexibility. Correct? We have to move our bones, we have to move our muscles. No. So that's why these tendons are having fibrous matrix. And these fibrous tissues are having great strength and limited flexibility. Flexibility is there, but that is in a limited. But they are having so much strength. Clear about this? Clear? See, no, here is also the connection between the muscles and bones. That's why the tendons, that's why the ligaments are called as the connective tissues. Clear? Ligaments connect bone to the bone. Tendons connect bones to the muscles. That's why these are the connective tissues. Clear? See, the small tissues are there and you can remember easily. Next one is about cartilage. Now, the cartilageous tissues are found between the joints. Wherever the joints are there, in that cartilages are present. Then, other organs are also there, like your nose, ear, trachea, larynx. Correct? So, these organs are also having the cartilages in that. So see, I have given cartilage is present over the joints of the bones and provides them with a smooth structure. See, joints, we are moving our hands, moving our legs. Okay, wherever the joints are there should be a flexibility, there should be a smooth structure. No, if the rough surface is there, you cannot move it easily. So these are having smooth structure, means these are providing the smooth structure to the joints, and they are found in the nose tip, ear pinna, trachea and larynx. Clear? So again the structure, see the matrix are different. So in cartilages, they are having solid matrix which is made up of protein and sugar. Okay. So in cartilages, the matrix is a solid flexible. See, in a blood, fluid matrix is there. Bone, hard matrix. Ligament, there is a little bit matrix is present. Tendon, fibrous matrix. And in cartilages, solid, flexible matrix is there. Clear? Which provides support and flexibility to various parts of our body. Here is also the connection and supporting functions by these tissues. Clear? So these cartilages are highly flexible. Tendons are limited flexible, but cartilages are highly flexible. And what is the function of cartilage? Cartilages smoothens bone surfaces at joints. See, we have seen that the friction, rough surface and smooth surface. Where is a more friction? Wherever there is a rough surface, there is a more friction. Smooth surface, less friction. So to avoid this friction, that responsibility is done by the cartilage. Clear? Okay. And then the small points that about the areolar and adipose tissues. Now see, what are the areolar tissues? So these areolar tissues are found between the skin and muscles, around the blood vessels and in the bone marrow. So these tissues normally found in the skin and the bone marrow. Both are the important parts of our body. Okay, these tissues are also having the fibrous matrix. And what are they doing? What are the importance? What are the functions of areolar tissues? So these fills up the space inside the organ. Wherever the spaces are there that present in our organs, so that is filled by the areolar tissue. Then it supports the internal organs, whatever body parts are present inside the body. So the support is given by the areolar tissue. And then it helps in the repair of tissues. So whatever, see, there is a damage in cells also, in tissues also. So this damage is repaired by the areolar tissues. Clear what I am saying? Am I going fast? See, small points are there and you have to make a table. So from the table you can write the notes. You can remember. So that's why I am going like this. Okay. So see, areolar, these tissues acts as a filter in between the spaces present inside the organs and the body. It helps in repairing other tissues as well. If any damage is there in the other kind of tissues, so that damage is repaired by the areolar. Why? Because that present inside the organs of the body. See, no, it is found in the skin and the bone marrow. We are having skin all over the body. That's why these types of tissues can repair the other tissues also. Clear? And the last one, the last connective tissue is adipose tissue or adipose tissues. So these tissues are found below the skin. See the difference, huh? Areolar found in the skin and adipose tissues found below the skin and between the organs of the body. If the two organs are there, in that who is there? The adipose tissues. Clear? So whatever internal organs are there inside our body, that are different, no? The position, the structure, the locations are different. But again there is a connection between the internal organs. So who is doing that connection? These adipose tissues. Clear? So below the skin and between the internal organs, these are the locations of the adipose tissues. Okay. Then these tissues are having limited matrix. Then these tissues are very soft and fatty. These tissues are very soft and fatty, which stores the fats in our body and insulates the body. Okay, so see, fats are stored in our body in the adipose tissues. They are found below the skin and between the organs of the body, provides cushioning to the organs. That is the support connection. Clear about the connective tissues? Okay, so how many tissues we have learned in the connective tissues? 7 types we have learned in the connective tissues. So each and everything you have to learn. Now how to learn all the things that already I have told. Okay, your short notes, your points and your table format will help you to remember all these points. Okay, so one day one kind of tissues that you can do. Okay, so start to write the short notes regarding connective tissues. Take the help of these sessions, other YouTube videos and your notes, and try to prepare this for your exam. Okay, so I hope now you are cleared about the connective tissues. Okay, blood, bone, ligament, tendon, cartilage, areolar, adipose. Okay, how can you learn? BBL, TCAA, BBL, TCAA. So you can learn easily. So see, like that you have to do logic and then you have to do your study. Okay, still stay home, stay safe, do your homework on time, and thank you.